CTV Meteorologist Cory Edel taking a look at your national forecast. We will start off by talking Isaias. It has been downgraded. It's going to be moving through the New England states as we go throughout the day today, crossing over into Canada later tonight, about 8 o'clock Eastern time. And then it looks like the track is going to take our way between Quebec City as well as Montreal. Little uncertainty. We could see these different lines. Those are different models projecting. We could see some effects in towards the Maritimes as well. But it looks like at this point, once you average that out between Quebec City as well as Montreal heading to the north, continuing to ease and lose its energy as it does. But it could still pack some good rainfall amounts as well as some strong winds. So there we go. As I said, looks like about 8 o'clock Eastern time, it'll cross over into Canada, bringing a lot of rain and strong winds rotating with that up between Montreal and Quebec City and then along the Gaspé Peninsula. So a lot of rain associated with that. We can see that already on the FUTURECAST, and there are some warnings to be talked about. We'll talk about the heat warning, still some remaining for parts of Yarmouth, as well as in towards Prince Edward Island and New Brunswick today and tomorrow. Highs 28 to 31. But the areas in red, New Brunswick included in that, the Gaspé Peninsula, there's a tropical cyclone statement in place. Winds will pick up tonight but become stronger tomorrow, gusts around 70, but we could see some rainfall amounts upwards of 60 millimeters, and that's where the rainfall warnings do come in place. Quebec City included in that, near 50 millimeters by tomorrow morning. It will pull north. By tomorrow night, some areas in northern Quebec could see upwards of 60 millimeters.